And my dad gave me the linguistic love, which when I've been performing has always been the way in. You know, for me with songs, it's always the lyric first. With plays, it's always the words. And even when accessing an emotional state, I don't have to apply or access anything from my emotional background or memory,
Mm.
because sometimes the words move me as I'm saying them. Do you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
If I recite a sonnet or uh, something in the very music and the very vibrations of the words sort of that seem to linger in my sternum can reduce me to tears quite easily.